Please hold on. I'm getting a call. Let me answer.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. Today we will look into session management techniques.
All right.
All right.
Okay, open Java class work. Right. This is your file. Okay. And let me write today's date. Right. So session management. So what the session management is? Like I told you, HTTP is a stateless protocol. So we have been using HTTP based servlets. So HTTP is a stateless protocol. It means it cannot remember the user information. This is the user who is operating, so it cannot remember.
Yes.
For example, like the Gmail application which I already gave. You
Yeah.
provide your credentials, username, password, you log in, and you are going to click in your on inbox, drafts, send mails. So for every click, it means a request is being generated. So after logging in, your user data is being preserved by
Yes.
Gmail server, Gmail application for certain amount of time. That amount of time is nothing but until you log out. Until you log out, whenever you are making a click, that is nothing but some action is being performed over there and a request is being generated. So the Gmail server is able to identify that you are the user who has logged in, he is making the request. So
Yes.
how this Gmail application is able to remember when HTTP based servlets are stateless protocol, when the HTTP servlets are unable to remember preserve the user information, how this is being happening. So it is happening using 4 techniques, any 4 techniques. So it depends upon your requirement. You can choose any one of these. Every technique has its own drawbacks as well as advantages.
Yes.
So they are One, hidden fields. So user information is stored in hidden fields. These are HTML hidden fields. HTML hidden fields. We will see by example, of course. 2. Second is URL rewriting. So URL rewriting, that is nothing but the user information that we are obtaining from the form into our servlet with the help of request parameters, right?
Right.
So we are going to append the user information to the URL.
Yeah.
Got it? I have
Right.
already shown you an example. Using the query string for a hyperlink, we could get the data, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Such kind of thing. 3. Using HTTP session. So HTTP session is an object that is present in the Servlet API, which would preserve the user information for a certain period. So here they are using session ID, which is unique for each user, and we will see by example how it is done. 4. Using cookies. So cookies are nothing but the client side objects, browser side objects.
Yeah.
They are stored in browsers. So these cookies would capture the user information. These cookies are generated by the user. We will see all these the hidden fields. So with hidden fields, scenario here, that is first hidden fields. I have a login page. This login page is nothing but a HTML page.
Yes.
I say this login page is nothing but login.html.
Yeah.
Then this login page has first name, okay, last name. So this login page is nothing but better say the personal details of the user that I am capturing.
Yes.
So I modify it to personal details HTML.
Okay.
Personal details. So I am capturing the personal details here, and personal first name, last name, then location. Okay. So I capture that user that information. For example, first name Alexander, last name Graham Bell, location New York, and here there is a submit button.
Yes.
So there is a submit button, a reset button. Okay.
Okay.
So when I click on submit button, so here the user is going to enter his information, then he is going to click on submit button. Okay. Now there is a login servlet. So login servlet would capture. So this is a servlet. Okay. So this is HTML page, and this is
Hello?
Emma.
Yes, those. I think he lost
Amy?
internet connection.
hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Now we can hear you.
Okay. This is not login servlet. This is Professional details. Professional details. The thing is, from here it goes to this servlet professional details. Here this professional details is a servlet which is going to capture professional details, capture professional details from the user who provided information on personal details HTML.
Okay.
Okay.
What are the professional details that are being captured is education, then profession. Okay.
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 So education may be MS. Profession, scientist. Okay.
Scientist. Okay.
Yes.
So here I have a submit button, a reset button. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Finally, from here I am going to display all the registration details. I mean to say these three things: first name, last name, location, and these two things. So I am going to display all those things using registration details. So it is a servlet. Let me write servlet. This is also a servlet. And here I am going to display these three things.
Okay.
And these two things.
Okay.
These two things. So, and I am going to display a message. Registration successful. Okay. So here one user is going to register into my application. Okay.
Okay.
So the user is going to provide information, first name, last name, location in the first page. Okay. And he is going to click on submit button. Now there is another page that is nothing but a HTML page actually. HTML page. This is also a HTML page. HTML page. So there is another page, professional details, which is going to capture the professional details of the user who is submitting data. Got it?
Got it.
It means Alexander is the user who is clicking on submit button here. We are going to capture his data in the next page. Got it?
Got it.
And Alexander is going to supply professional details, these two things, education and profession, and he is going to click on submit button. Got it?
Got it.
Final, first request, second request. So second request, we are identifying that he is the user. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Finally, after generating second request, we are displaying all the registration details in another page.
Yeah.
So this is my scenario. I am going to work out this scenario. Okay. So how I am doing it is, I am using hidden fields here. The thing is, I captured these three things. That is nothing but input type text, right? HTML.
Right.
I am talking about the text boxes. Input type text, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, I will carry these three things to my personal details, these three things. So, I'll carry this. These would be available in this professional details HTML, but they are marked as hidden.
Okay.
Means
Okay.
they are not viewable. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Viewable fields are only these two: education and
Yeah.
profession. Got it?
Yeah, got
Got
it.
it.
Now from here, after clicking on submit the user, I am going to take all these three things
Yeah.
and display here.
Okay.
Got it?
Got
Got
it.
it.
So I am making use of the hidden fields over there. So the same thing here, hidden fields, just a moment. Yes, I have. Yes, let me launch Eclipse. I am creating those three components. Along with that, what file do we need? So these are the resources, right? Let me open that. So these are the resources I need to perform the sample, right? One is HTML
Right.
page. Another is HTML page, that is nothing but servlet. 2.
Yes.
And another HTML, registration success, this is 3. Okay.
Yes.
What is the other file we need to perform this? Do we need the
User.
fourth file, or this is enough?
Okay.
Guess what is
Let's
the fourth
see.
file?
User bin.
No, I am not talking about bean. I'll talk about bean maybe in some other technique.
Okay.
Because we cannot maintain beans here. We need to depend upon fields here. Hidden fields we need to depend upon.
Okay.
So hidden fields demo. Web modules 2.5. Next, and finish. Guess what is the other file we need? Or are those 4 files enough? So I am creating a page here, personal details HTML, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I am capturing this name, personal details HTML, and I am giving here. Okay. Next,
Okay.
finish. I created it in web content. Okay. Now
Yes.
let me put the personal details here. So I give a title here. Keep thinking on the fourth file. I mean the other file
Yes.
what we need.
Yeah, we're thinking about it.
So I need that input type text, those things. So let me copy from my previous sample.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
I can pick.
Form, entire form I am copying. And let me close this, or else again it creates a confusion. Done. So first name, and here let me put this blank, and first name, last name, then first name, last name, location.
Location.
So I say location, and here it is
Location.
location, and I need a break tag.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes.
Now, from here, when the user is going to click on submit button after providing data, it has to get into professional details HTML page, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is nothing but a servlet. The
Yeah.
HTML page I am constructing using servlet. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can construct, right? Servlets are nothing but HTML pages, right?
Yeah.
Let me create that in our resource.
Okay.
Package. Java, servlets, demos. Finish. And I am going to create servlet.
Mm-hmm.
Servlet name, professional details servlet. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So what this does, a servlet to capture professional details of the user logged in, right?
Yes.
Next, I need to get and done. Okay.
Okay.
So I need to construct the web page here, right?
Okay.
Right.
So let me copy code from previous sample. I need this. I need print writer, response, these three things, all these things. Okay, I copy
Yeah.
and I am putting here. So let me give the title professional details, right?
Right.
Right.
Professional details. And I don't need this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as of now, let me remove this. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me capture. So here the thing is, I am constructing a web page here. Okay, let me do that. Yes, professional details. Then title it is, and let me put some header also here as professional details.
Yes.
Heading. So it is a header. Okay.
Okay.
Then I need to. So yes, I'm formatting it properly. Now I am going to write a form here. HTML page, right? It is.
Yes, it is.
So out dot println semicolon at the end. So let me copy this.
And paste on the.
So I'll be using this.
Yeah.
So here inside it, I am going to create a form.
Yes.
Form
Yeah.
with action equals to some action. Then method equals to get, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So here I need to use double quotes. So let me give like this. Got it?
Got it.
Fine. Form closing, right? Somewhere down.
Yeah.
So I close that form here.
From.
Right? Form closing.
Yeah.
Inside the form, I need to display those professional education and qualification, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I am displaying
Education.
education. Sorry. Education. Then education, that is nothing but some text box, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I write input type
Type.
equals to text
Text.
box, right?
Text. Yeah.
Text. Then name equals to
Education.
education, right?
Right.
Then
Yes.
that's it, education. So I have double quotes here. So let me give a escape sequence.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, let me give
Qualification.
qualification. Okay,
All right.
Okay.
qualification. And here a break tag.
Yes.
Yeah.
Input type text name equals to
Qualification.
qualification. Then another break tag.
Down.
Yeah.
Then submit button and reset button, right?
Yes.
Input type equals to
Submit.
submit. So put backslash, right, submit, and value equals to no, value should be inside this.
Inside.
Yeah.
Value is nothing but submit. Okay,
Mm.
Yes.
and let me give
Slash.
escape.
Slash.
Okay, no errors. Submit, then reset, right?
Reset. Yeah.
Yes. Input type is nothing but reset.
Reset.
And the
Okay.
value is clear or reset. It's your choice, no problem. Both means the same.
Yeah.
Clearing the field data, right?
Yes.
Clear. Done. Now from here, so the thing is, from here, the user is going to provide education and qualification and click on submit button. Done, right?
Yeah.
Right.
From here it has to go to
To
registration
the
success.
yes.
Servlet.
Yeah. I know.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Registration success details servlet. Registration details servlet. Copy and give name. Done. Next. So here a servlet to display all the registered data of the user logged in. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, I need do get finish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Here I need to display, right? I need to
Yes.
display. So here to display, I need to get the data, right?
Right.
Right.
Get the data from professional details to this page, right?
Yes.
So in professional details, what is the field name? Education qualification. So I got here. So let me copy the common things that are necessary. Okay, these things, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just. Then I need to construct a web page, HTML page. So I copy these things, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And here, let me obtain. So obtain the professional details, right?
Right.
Right.
So that is nothing but string education. I say edu. Then request dot get parameter, right?
Mm.
And here we give the parameter name.
Yeah.
Mm.
Which parameter name?
Could be
Education.
education.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Copy it. Paste.
Yes.
I got the education.
Yes.
Then qualification similarly. Okay.
Yeah. Something. Good.
Get parameter. And here nothing but this, right?
Right.
Right.
Copy paste. Right? Got it? Get parameter
Yes.
it is. Okay. Right?
Right.
Now I'm going to display that. So title is registration details, right?
Mm-hmm.
And header registration successful.
Mm.
Okay. And the
Yeah.
following is the information. So I am displaying the information here. I don't need these things. Instead, I am just displaying what is that? Education.
Education.
Education. That is nothing but
That's
education, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Then let me put a BR tag. BR tag. Like education, I need to
Qualification.
display qualification and I don't need this form.
Yeah. Qual.
Right. That's it, right?
Right.
And let me put this BR tag after this also.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, now let me personal details. So from, I mean, here what action? It has to go to professional details, right?
Details.
That
Yes.
is nothing
Yeah.
but the URL pattern is nothing but this one, right?
Yeah.
Same,
Right.
right? So
Yeah.
I'm just
Sure.
copying from here. Actually, you need to copy from WebXML, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And in my profession, you can see here the user clicks on submit button. It goes to professional details, right?
Right.
And here professional details are captured here. And here there is action, right?
Right.
Yeah.
This is nothing but this. It has to go to this, right?
Registration. Yeah.
Copy this.
Best.
Done. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Method
Yeah.
name. And it goes to registration now after clicking on submit button. And here we are displaying educational qualification. The thing is, we need to display first name, last name,
And
Yeah.
then
location.
location, and also
Yeah.
education and qualification.
Yeah.
I will show you how to display that. As of now, let us run and check whether these are displayed or not.
Okay.
Okay.
And I am executing this. Okay. Let me
Okay.
give Alexander. Graham Bell. New York.
New York.
And click on register. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Professional details it is asking.
Yeah.
And I am giving here Masters in Science. Okay.
Yeah.
Qualification.
Scientist.
Okay. Now qualification in sense profession actually. I just written qualification. Let's go with that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Submit.
Submit.
Registration success. Education and scientist. If you
Yeah.
observe, Graham Bell, who has given the Master in Science and Scientist, are being displayed here, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Along with that, we need to display the personal details also. Now,
Yes.
those personal details that were given by the user on personal details HTML, I am going to obtain it here. I am going to obtain it here.
Okay.
So, obtain the personal details
Personal details.
of the user. That is nothing but string f name equals to request dot get parameter okay.
First name.
First name.
Yes,
first name. So you better copy paste.
Copy. Yeah.
It is parameter name.
Parameter.
Get parameter. Likewise, all the three things, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So here it is last name, and here it is last name. Okay. And
Last
here it is
name.
Location.
The
Over
last
there on
name.
last.
Delete
okay.
F. Delete F.
Yes, delete F. Right. Okay. Now,
Yes.
I got these personal details into my professional details, and I will maintain this data as hidden in this. So, along with capturing this educational qualification, somewhere here, I will maintain this data as hidden. Look there. I'm going to write input type equals to text. So here I say hidden. Okay.
Hidden. Okay.
Name equals to, I can give some name
First
here.
name.
First name, and its value is nothing but
F name.
One.
This F name, right?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
F name. Yes.
Okay.
So value is nothing but I need to give here plus F name, then plus right. Okay.
Okay.
And let me give clear, got it?
Yeah, great.
It means the personal details which I got here into my servlet, I am maintaining it as hidden here. They are available, they are present, but they are hidden. Okay?
Yeah.
So let me copy this
And paste
here. For input type hidden, name equals to last name, right?
Yeah.
So okay, and it is nothing but
L name.
and here it is
Location.
Location.
Mhm.
And here it is
Location.
L.
OC. This thing. Got it?
Yes.
Oh,
Now, when
Right.
the user is going to click on submit button, he is going to submit this data also, which is in the hidden.
yeah.
Yes.
Now, in my registration success, along with this, let me obtain those three also,
Yeah.
which are available
Yes.
with, which are
Hidden.
available with, professional details alert, right?
Professional.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I write here first name. So let me, yes, first name and get parameter. What is the parameter name here?
Is
This one,
X
right?
name.
This
First
one, the
name.
parameter name. Name.
Oh, the
Yeah.
first
First
name.
name.
Hmm.
Yes.
Mm,
Don't get confused with that parameter name and the variable.
okay.
And last name here.
Last name.
And that is nothing but this last name. Copy it
Yeah.
so that there will not be any typo errors. Then similarly, location, right?
Right.
This one, parameter name. Submit name it
Yeah.
means, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Location.
Now, here, so there is an extra semicolon. Along with this, so education, qualification, before that,
Put their first name,
right.
last name, and the.
First name,
Mm.
and this is nothing but
First name.
first name.
Yeah.
Then last name, and this is nothing but last name.
Last name.
And
And location.
location,
Mm.
and this is nothing but
Location.
Log.
location.
Look.
Got it?
Yeah. It's
Location.
location. Yeah. Location.
Done?
Then.
Done.
And one break here. Down.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
let me go back, refresh. Okay. And I'm providing the data now. So New York, I say London. Okay.
Okay.
Register. Now I am giving PhD education. Okay. Scientist. Okay.
Yeah.
Submit.
Submit.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
So we are able to preserve the user information who has logged in. He is giving the second request, right?
Yeah.
Right.
There is that second request. This one, clicking on submit button. Right?
Right.
Right.
Yes. We are maintaining the user data in the form of what is that? Hidden fields. Okay.
Yeah.
Just hold on. I'm getting a call. Let me answer.
Okay.
Yes, I'm back.
All right.
Is that clear with hidden fields?
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay, now let us see the advantages and disadvantages with this. So advantage of hidden field. So it will always work whether cookies is disabled or not. The thing is, among 4 techniques, cookies is one of the technique, right? Which
Yeah.
stores user information on browser.
The browser, yeah.
You might have heard about cookies. That is, the browser is going to store the information in cookies. And you might have seen a context deleting the cookies from the browser, right?
Yeah.
So when you perform transactions logging into bank, which are very crucial credentials, username, password, perhaps you may be deleting the cookies after the transaction. Did you try that? Or do you know that we need to delete the
we
cookies
know.
if you are using some internet cafe to perform banking transactions so that your data would be safe?
I haven't done that, but I know that, it's
Right. You
crucial.
know that, right? So when you
Yeah.
perform transactions from a public internet cafe, it is better advised to delete the cookies and history, better say, from browser.
Yeah.
So when compared to those cookies, so cookies can be enabled and disabled on the browser, right? Do you know that?
Yes. Yeah, I know.
So when compared to cookies, so cookies can be enabled and disabled. If you are depending upon cookies for session management, assume if cookies are disabled on browser, then your session management will not work.
Yeah.
So when you compare to the cookies, hidden fields will definitely work, right?
Yes.
So with hidden fields, you cannot disable them.
Yeah.
That is one advantage. Disadvantage is it is maintained at every server side, right? On every servlet, on every page we are navigating, we have to maintain those user data, right? As hidden fields. And extra form submission is required on each page, right?
Yes.
And only textual information can be used. Like if you say user bean, you said, when I asked you what are the other files needed, you just guessed that user bean you need, right?
Yeah.
But we are not using user bean because we are depending upon fields over there, hidden fields. So I can maintain only textual data over there, right? First name, last name kind of thing.
Yeah.
Not employee object or user object, right?
Right.
So those are the disadvantages. Okay.
Okay.
So that's about hidden fields. And there are few more techniques. That is URL rewriting. URL rewriting, HTTP session and cookies.
Yeah.
For now, I will close my session.
Okay.
I will email you this application. I want you to practice this for sure.
Yes, yes.
All right then. We'll see morning 5 a.m. IST. My morning 5 a.m. IST.
Okay.
And what is it? I think you got that URL, right? 5 a.m. URL as well as 9 p.m. URL.
We got it.
Because this morning you faced some difficulty accessing the old URL.
Yeah.
Right. All right. So tomorrow morning we will having session by morning, and tomorrow evening I will not be available. I told you right, Friday is a festival.
Yeah.
So tomorrow evening I will be in my journey from work location to my home location. So Friday whole day I will not be available. We will be back on my Saturday morning 5 a.m. IST.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Yes. Meanwhile, so tomorrow, it's better to finish all the session management techniques.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, if possible, we will finish at least 2.
3. Okay.
One guaranteed. The third one, I'll try to finish the third one also. Second and third.
Okay. All right.
Fine then.
All right. Have a good night.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Awesome.